If you ever have an avocado that's not quite ripe when you cut it open, it's just a bit, some places are still quite hard, here's a great recipe idea. Okay, so take a look around and see whatever you have in your larder, maybe some old stuff lying around, maybe some old eggs, some cheese, I've got some red onion, bit of bacon, some seasoning, some paprika, and you can make a really nice little roasted snack. So let me put it together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to put the avocados on a roasting tray and we're going to kind of just fill them up. So first thing, we're going to get an egg, very carefully. And we're going to whack them in the middle of the avocado. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. This one's kind of broken, so it's going to be a lot trickier. Do the best we can. Just get some egg in there. Bit of yolk. Bit of egg white. I'm sure you'll do a better job than me. Just get some of your seasonings. Let's put some paprika on this one. Some chili flakes on this one. A few chives. Just some random shit. Get some red onion. Get some cheese. Any kind of flavour combinations you want to have. A few bacon bits. Let's put some crispy bacon bits on there. There we go. Looking nice and glamorous. And you're just going to whack those in the oven, 180 Fahrenheit, for about 20, 25, maybe 30 minutes. And well, we'll take a look at the results. And the result is this. Oh yeah. Lovely roasted avocado with cheese and egg and nice things. Tuck in. Absolutely delicious.